Good morning, I'm meteorologist Beau. It's June 15, 2017. Let's take a look at the high-resolution GO satellite view. Now here we are in southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, northwest Tennessee, and western Kentucky right here. We see these storms overnight to our north that spread into our area during the morning hours. We put this in motion. You can see the colors representing cold cloud tops. Those reds, those are very high thunderstorm, cold cloud tops, cumulonimbus clouds, also known as thunderstorms. We push through the early morning hours and we see that line of storms that move through our local area. You can see the clouds here, and then it's starting to redevelop and strengthen as it moves into the warmer air ahead of the line in central Tennessee into south central Kentucky. So we're about to see this line reignite probably some severe weather down into south central, southeast Kentucky and eastern Tennessee over the coming hours. For our local area, we see back here a mix of sun and clouds. Let's move over to the visible satellite imagery. Let me back this up just a little bit, but you can see that line of storms here. They are these billowing clouds, these bubbly looking clouds. Those are thunderstorms that moved through earlier this morning. And then we look off to the northwest. We see some cirrus clouds, perhaps some debris from leftover thunderstorms that were in Iowa and northern Missouri overnight drifting into our area. So that will leave us with a mix of sun and clouds today, with possibly some additional thunderstorm development as we move through the afternoon hours. Although I think the main batch was what occurred earlier this morning. Putting the radar in motion, you can see that line of thunderstorms that push through the area. Rainfall totals anywhere from none to 2 inches of rain this morning. Parts of northern Graves County, northwest Marshall County had 1 to 2 inches of rain. Parts of McCracken County had anywhere from a trace to over an inch. So a wide range of rainfall totals, and that's what was forecast. The forecast was no rain up to 2 inches of rain in our local area. So here is that line of storms, and you can see it's reigniting ahead of the warm air there. Ahead of it is helping to reignite these stronger storms. It was weaker as it moved through our area. Early morning hours, not quite as much instability in the atmosphere, but still enough for lightning, thunder, heavy rain, and some gusty winds. Again, the rest of today, maybe some few scattered showers and thunderstorms may redevelop, not anticipating widespread showers and storms this afternoon or tonight. Another chance, 30-40% chance of storms on Friday night, Saturday, and Saturday night. Any storms that form could drop heavy rain, gusty winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Not anticipating organized severe weather, but I can't rule out a downburst of wind that might bring some tree limbs down. Would not cancel any plans Friday or Saturday, but I would carry your cell phone with you. Check radars from time to time and the latest text messages that I send out. Sign up for those at BeauDotsonWeather.com. Also on Sunday, a cold front sweeps through the area, and that could bring a band of showers and severe thunderstorms with damaging winds. Confidence is still a little bit low on the severe weather threat. We still have a couple of days to monitor Sunday, but a strong cold front this time of the year with all this hot, humid, muggy air, you're going to have quite a bit of lift, and that will cause thunderstorms to develop, and some of them will be intense. Rainfall totals between now and Sunday night, a wide range, again, an additional 1/10 of an inch to perhaps 2 inches of rain. Slow-moving storms on Sunday could produce some isolated reports of flash flooding, 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour in those storms. If you were going to have a day where you should be concerned about an outdoor event, probably going to be Sunday. Again, some storms possible Friday and Saturday, keep that in mind. But Sunday, organized storms are forecast to move through the area along and ahead of that cold front that will usher in some nicer air for Monday and Tuesday. Highs in the 80s with lower dew points, lower humidity. Monday and Tuesday will be some nice weather, camping weather. As we move into the middle of end of next week, probably going to warm up a bit again. Not sure yet on rain chances next Wednesday through next weekend, but I will take a look at the charts this afternoon and see what they are showing. Probably going to have at least 1 or 2 days in there with a chance of showers or storms. It is summer, hard to get away from that in our local region. We get this warm air in here, humid air, and during the summer we have these thunderstorms pop up during the heat of the day. All right, so for the rest of the day, mix of sun and clouds, a chance of a few showers and storms redeveloping, and then quite warm highs this afternoon, 86 to 92 degrees.